Basically, this is final launching of our AI products with no factory, just ads. We'll be creating some ad. So we'll go ahead first with the video ads.
Alert. Rice levels critically low. Pantry refill recommended.
See, yeah, I think it looks JarGenie your AI pantry assistant. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the AI Cross. We are still on the process of creating a AI product design entirely using the AI, starting from the product idea till it will went live in a website and our ad and everything. So yeah, it looks so real. So if you'll see the hidden kitchen crisis, meet your smart pantry guardian, powerful features, how it was, join list, everything is kind of in one page. So if I'll go to start, okay, JarGenie. So this session will be creating, basically this is final launching of our AI products with no factory, just ads. Okay, so this episode we'll be creating some ads. So we'll go ahead first with the video ads. I'll just open Google Veo, create a new project, okay, today. So now I have already written one of the basically prompt to create one video. So what we want to do, we want to create a 8 second, because the maximum length we can do in the video is 8 seconds. So we'll create a cinematic 8-second product ad using the image which will be put. So let me just do one thing, let's copy paste. So what we'll use here, now we have a option here, frame to video, in that Google Veo. So what we will do, we'll go ahead here and I will upload my product image. So this is my product image. Okay, so now I will crop and save. Now here I will put this. So I want to create a simple like I think video where I will showcase how this JarGenie will work. Like let's say you are having a shortage of any product inside, let's say rice is shortage or going basically low in your pantry, how it will basically figure out and how it will give you a warning. Okay, that is kind of this video. Now what I will use here is, I will use this Veo 3 fast beta audio, because I have given it should give a audio to me. Okay, now I will just click here. Now it will take some time to create. In the meantime, what I will do, I will not sit idle, because we can do parallel tasks, right? Because we have a different kinds of AI tools. We have a lot of AI tools. So what I will do, I will use ChatGPT now. So what I will do, okay, so I will write this prompt. I don't know how much it will be creating that product. Okay, create one professional product announcement poster for my product 1080 dimension and make it kind of okay. So to note down one point, I am already using that same conversation, so I am not putting any more details like functionality and all, because ChatGPT already knows I am working for this product already. Okay, so let's try here. So it will create the like product image. So in the meantime, let me see if, okay, so now we have already that product demo video has been already created 8 seconds. So let's play this and listen. Okay,
Alert. Rice levels critically low. Pantry refill recommended.
so it's kind of good, like you can
Rice levels critically low. Pantry refill recommended.
You can try out different prompt also, like if you want to have a different kind of images, that also we can do. Let's try another one. Okay, I'm creating another one. Let's go ahead and use same frame to video. I'll use the same object, now same model. Let's see what it is creating. Yeah, ChatGPT has created this. Let's see. Yeah, I think it looks JarGenie your AI pantry assistant, monitor pantry item, generator, join waitlist. So create another poster. Okay, so I have given the prompt here to write down, so I mean to generate the image. So let's see how it is creating. In the meantime, let me go ahead and see here. Okay, it has created another one. So let's see. This is, I think, once you will download, it will look fine.
Hey JarGenie, generate this week's shopping list.
Isn't it cool?
Generate this week's shopping list.
Okay, so yeah, to fine tune this, you can like try a few other things also. So what I'm going to do now, I'll create a lot of kind of these clips, and I'll finally create a entire, I think, 20 or 25 seconds of entirely ad video, which you can place in social medias, or even let's say we can put it in a YouTube, and we can put in a TV also, like that's also possible. Okay, we can do in that like enhancements, size enhancement and all we can do. So let me do that. In the meantime, let me see if ChatGPT is coming up another one. Yeah, it is also creating. So let me go ahead and try that, and finally I will come up with that video. Okay, so I have created a lot of clips like using that same images. And some if you'll see, this is one image, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, around 9 video clips, and I have put them in a sequence and finally generated one final video. So let me just show you that one.
Running out of essentials, forgetting groceries, managing a chaotic kitchen. Sound familiar?
We're introducing JarGenie, your smart kitchen assistant that keeps track, reminds you, and restocks for you.
Alert. Rice levels critically low. Pantry refill recommended.
Hey JarGenie, generate this week's shopping list.
JarGenie, where smart kitchens begin.
Let me know your thoughts on this video itself first. Forget about all these videos we have done. I think I'm really impressed with this Google Veo. Now we have created everything. Like we have come from a scratch of a product idea. We have named it. We have created our brand. We have created our fast product mockup, and we have created some different product mockup also. We have come up with the sheets and our functionality. We have created a pitch deck. We have created a landing website. We have created our ad videos. We have created social media posters. Now we are ready to push all of this to our social media now. Now, if I mean this was I was doing as a demo purpose, so I come up with a like I don't know whether this product is a viable product or not, that you guys will answer. But yeah, if you have ideas, you can brainstorm them, you can come up with this, and you can push this to the market, because until people will not see this, until it will not reach to people, you will not able to know whether your product or whatever ideas you have, that is a good idea that is going to help you building your future business or not. And finally we came to the last part of this video, part 3. So let me know your comments, your feedback, your positive, negative, any feedback you have for me. I think I know a lot of things I am not doing perfectly, but I am trying to get those knowledge, and I am trying to like pass on those knowledge to you guys, so that you can use. If anyone is trying to build anything, they can use all of those things. And yes, if it is helpful, do give me a like and subscribe my channel, and also share with all of your friends, because sharing is caring. No, that just came to my mind. Okay, so let me know your thoughts, and we'll meet in the next videos for sure. Our journey will continue for sure. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.